So today I'm going to show you guys how to install swing arm spools on your 2022 Triumph Street Scrambler. This should work for just about any scrambler, though the part might be different slightly. It should be just about the same installation method. It's really easy, so this is going to be a short video. My next video is going to be replacing the stator cover, steps, torque specs, tools, everything. So stay tuned for that. But today we're going to go ahead and do this installation here. So let's get right into the video. First thing you're going to do is find the axle shaft, or axle, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. And you're going to put this right through there. So it goes right in there like this and all the way in, and then you will screw these pieces onto it. You'll notice that these two bolts are not the same size. So you'll want to put the longer one in the right side of the bike. So you'll notice that this hole is actually slightly smaller than this one. So when you slide the shaft in there, you'll notice that it stops. It hits the end, but it hasn't come out the end. That's as far as it'll go. It's not the wrong thing, and I'll show you why. These are not the same. So one of them, it fits right in there, and then the other one is like that, and it fits over the nut, and it allows the screw that goes through here to reach. But this screw needs to be a little bit longer because, like I said, it has to reach further in here because the shaft stops like back here, so it needs to reach all the way in there. So that's why this side's screw needs to be slightly longer. So you're gonna either need two 5mm Allen keys or a 5mm and a 3/16. All right, once you have them loosely in there, you're just gonna go ahead and get them both snugged up. All right, they're on there. They look nice. Let's try them out. My bike always looks good on stands, man. Makes it a lot easier to do maintenance and stuff. Follow me for more how-to videos. Let me know if you want to see anything specific about street scramblers. See you guys in the next video.